All right, y'all, holidays are not just for shopping. They're for selling your content. All right, today I'm going to be breaking down how to create holiday content that converts. I'm talking about from followers to supporters to income. Hey y'all, I'm Bree-Ze, the creator, and welcome back to the Creator's Corner. And today's episode 18, we're going to be talking about holiday content that converts and how to monetize your holiday season as a content creator. Let's get into it. Now, the holiday season is officially here, okay? It's cold outside. We need our long sleeves and our jackets now. And that means people are scrolling, shopping, and sharing more than they ever have, okay? It's that time of year. And while most content creators are posting the festive photos and getting into the vibes and being cozy, the smart creators like you and I are using this season to build our brand and boost our income. Okay, so today I'm going to be teaching you how to create holiday content that converts, the kind that not only gets the likes, okay, but also drives traffic, it builds trust, and increases your revenue. Okay, section 1 is going to be why holiday content is so special. Okay, so the holidays change how people behave online. I don't know what it is. I feel like the holidays are really what drive that like Southern hospitality. It like kind of goes overboard across the entire nation. Okay, our attention spans go up, shopping increases, and emotions are at an all-time high. Okay, so this is the perfect time to connect with people through storytelling, through relatable moments, and value-driven content. I mean, think about it. Like, people want to feel something during this time of year. We want to feel, whether that's joy, whether that's nostalgia, whether that's generosity, whether that's empathy. We want to feel. Okay. And if you create content that tap into these emotions, you are going to win every single time. Now, section 2, these are the 3 types of converting holiday content that I believe will help you win this season. So let's break them down. Number 1 is educational content. Teach something useful that pertains to this season. Okay. So 3 holiday gift ideas for whatever your niche is: beauty, fashion, content, dog mom, being a mother, being a wife, a sister, a makeup artist, whatever. Okay. How I plan content for the holiday season, things to do during this holiday season, what you need to do if you're packing to go on vacation during the holiday season, how to cook so-and-so for holiday season. Okay, the cooking videos during the holidays go crazy. So even if that's not your regular niche, you want to include that at least like a couple times during this season. Some little cooking videos, recipes that even if you don't make them, that you're following, things like that. Yeah, post that all of that right now. All right, the next type of content, number 2, is emotional storytelling. Okay, share your why. What the holiday mean to you as a content creator? What does it mean to you individually? Why you do it? Okay, use personal stories and make your audience feel connected. So for instance, you can tell like the most nostalgic thing, like, oh, you could be a makeup artist doing your makeup, like the girl who tells the story, the horror crime stories and does her makeup. Nobody's paying attention to her makeup. I'm hooked in on the story, but I'm watching. She's getting my views. She's getting my watch time. Okay, click-through rate. Hello. But for instance, if you're doing your makeup, you could be talking about a nostalgic thing. You can say how the smell of cookies reminded me of when I was 6 years old. Be doing your makeup. I don't know, I walked past a bakery the other day and the smell instantly hit me, and I just stopped in my tracks and turned into the little 6-year-old girl, and it was like a movie played out in front of me. I watched myself smell those cookies in my house and run into the kitchen with my grandma who's no longer here, and such and such and such and such and such. You following me? Yeah. Storytelling. Okay. Next, number 3 is conversion content. So content that is a clear call to action. So affiliate links, downloads, product plugs. Don't be shy to sell stuff. This is what this season is for. But make sure that you're being intentional and authentic about it. Okay. Don't sell us summer clothes for the fall and it's winter. Like, what? Nobody's interested. So for example, instead of go buy this, try saying this is the exact blank that I use for blank results. It's 40% off today only. That is value converted. Okay. So yeah, section 3, a strategy plan for your holiday content. Here is a quick game plan. Okay, tweak it how you like. Start early. We all know that. I've been saying it the last couple videos. Start early, meaning yesterday was too late. Start right now today. Okay, schedule your posts around big dates. So like Thanksgiving, Black Friday, Cyber Monday, Christmas week. Okay, make sure that you have content that aligns with those big things going out during those dates, during and around those dates. Lord, I know my face looked crazy because I almost got stuck in my words. Next is use holiday keywords. So include words like holiday, gift, deal, 2025, season, those type of things, okay, in your captions, titles, and hashtags. Next up is batch and repurpose. So turn one shoot into multiple posts, okay? Reels, TikTok stories, YouTube shorts, email content, all the things. So for instance, this video, if it was Christmas thing back there, which my next 4 will be, this one just ain't, these aren't. But if it was Christmas theme back here, like my thumbnail for this particular video, just imagine Christmas theme, okay? My thumbnail for this video could be at the top of the banner for my email newsletter that I put on my website. Okay, that's repurposing the content because it's still a thumbnail for YouTube. I could also use this same thumbnail and just post it as a picture on my Instagram with some captions or something. Okay, I could also take clips from my YouTube video and make short form content to post on Reels across TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Facebook Reels. You see what I'm saying? Yeah, repurpose that content. And then last but not least, add CTAs, your call to action. So every post that you make during the holiday season needs to lead them somewhere. Like seriously, your site, affiliate links, another platform, it needs to go somewhere. People are listening right now. All right, section 4, how to boost your conversion. So conversion does not just mean sales, okay? It can mean follows, clicks, email signups, other generative forms and leads, okay? So to convert better, make sure you're using clear visuals. So think cozy lighting, festive colors, which we're gonna get into that. We're gonna actually do a whole video on shopping for my cozy fall, winter, holiday content creator background and setup, okay? That's another video idea. Like you can go shopping for the background and look. I'm just putting y'all up on game. But yes, make sure your look fits the theme in the season that we are all in or want to be in. Okay. Next, write down your engaging captions that are going to really tell a story. So if you can just think of some stories that you automatically want to tell, touching on that emotional storytelling type of content, write down, oh, I want to talk about the time where, you know, or how the smell of this particular cookie or this brownie or this hot, I remember this brand of hot chocolate made me feel this or such and such. Go ahead, write those down and get into that. And then make sure that you have all your links set up and are active and are current and that you have added new products on there for your affiliate links. Make sure they are all in your bios and that you have them easily accessible to pin in comments, especially if you do live as well. So just have all of your affiliate links. I literally have all of mine in a Google Doc spread that I have access to on every device that my email is logged in. I just go get it, copy, paste. Simple. And then last but not least, track your analytics weekly because the holiday season, it's not for a long time, y'all know, but we want to make sure that we're really tracking so that we can try to boost every single week. Okay, this worked this week. Don't do that again. Like this is not the time to keep playing. You need to watch it and adjust accordingly, continuously. Don't go back if it ain't working. Don't try it again. Not this season. Okay. So yeah, just double down on what is actually performing and working. Keep doing that thing. Don't play with nothing else during this time of year. Now, the goal is to make your content useful, beautiful, and clickable, okay? All right, are y'all ready for our wrap up and our recap? Let's get into it. Number 1, mix the emotional, educational, and conversion content during this season. Then you want to plan around those key holidays, okay? Make sure you got something to post during and around them all. And then last but not least, don't just post for the vibes, post with purpose. Send people somewhere, give them something to do, tell them what to do, okay? We listening, we don't want to think during the holidays. All right, without further ado, y'all ready for some homework? Homework, we got homework. Pen and paper, clock that T, let's go. All right, you're going to create 3 holiday theme posts this week. And I ain't just talking about posts. Like if you're a video creator as well, make sure that you're in what you do, okay? If you're a YouTuber, you need 3 videos. If you short form, you need 3 real reel content. If you are Pinterest girly, you need 3 pictures, 3 little things, you know what I'm saying? Whatever your thing is, you need 3 of them, Okay, 3 holiday themed content posts this week. One needs to be educational, one needs to be personal and emotional, and then the last one needs to be promotional, sell something. Okay, now hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, hey, like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you know every time I post another video. I'll see y'all next week, Monday, 10 a.m. Central Standard Time. Classes in session. Bring y'all pen and paper. Let's get it. Bye.